Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be trying to use socks to curl my hair. I saw this on a channel. I can't remember the name of the channel, but I'm going to link it down below. So yeah, I saw a Caucasian lady trying this on her daughter's hair and the curls came out perfectly. So I was like, let me give this a try on my natural hair and see how it turns out. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you keep watching the video till the end to see my results. And also, if this is your first time seeing my face, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So let's get into the video. So first of all, I'd like to apologize for the quality of this part of the video. It was night and I wasn't paying attention to the lighting, so yeah. So now I'm just prepping my hair for the style. I combed out my hair, combed out my curls, so that's why you see my hair like that. And yeah, I'm putting it in sections before I begin. Just to experiment, I'm using a body lotion instead of a leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to seal that up with my shea yogurt. I'll leave the link to the Instagram page where you can get yours. This adds a lot of shine to the hair. You see how shiny my hair will be. So yeah, I'll just go ahead. I decided to use this socks because it's longer than the black one. So you can use whatever socks you have available. So what I'm doing is just curling my hair or twirling my hair around the socks, as you can see. So you see the extra socks I left at the top, I'm just going to leave another at the bottom, which I'm going to tie together when I'm done, just to secure it.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
I left this in for about 2 days because my hair takes a very long time to get dry and I didn't want issues with wet hair. So yeah, I'm going to just unravel it, and this is how it looks.
Echoing around
I'll go ahead and begin to separate my hair. As I'm separating, I'm seeing that there's a lot of frizz. It looks more like a chunky twist out. So yeah, I think maybe the error I made was to use a body lotion. I probably should have used a curl defining cream or something like that to define my curves. So yeah, if you're going to try this, take note of that. Maybe you should use a curl defining cream for more definition. And also, I don't know if the fact that I combed out my hair also contributed to this. I have no idea. And also the way I twisted the socks or curled the socks around my hair. You notice on some parts I was putting the socks too close, which kind of made the hair straight instead of giving it some curls, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so yeah, but it looks more like a chunky twist out. It's not bad. The frizz is okay, but I don't think I'm going for a frizzy look today. But yeah, the experiment was worth it. I love it just for the fact that it makes my hair look like I did some chunky twist outs, which I didn't. But today I wasn't going for this style, so as you can see, I ended up putting my hair in a bun or a puff. So yeah, I ended up putting my hair in a high puff. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, before you go, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.